we start with the same, and today we'll start discussing about for the chemistry part 2, which is we had covered up. So we will go for it, and this is for chemistry part 2, which we'll discuss here. And this is a class 2 of this, because we had started in the last classes, which is the name is your Haloalkanes and Haloarenes, which is a unit 10, where we had completed your 9th unit in the last classes. So let's go for the further one. And in the last classes we had discussed about your allylic, that is arylic halide, benzylic halide, which is a compound containing carbon and halogens, and on the basis of the number of halogens atom as well, which is comes under the classification. In the detail we had discussed. Today we'll discuss about the compounds containing sp3c halogen bond, and which is very important. This is the class differentiation. So before starting with the same, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Compounds containing sp2 carbon halogen bond. So here first we discuss about the vinylic halide, and that class include first part, which is vinylic halide. In terms of vinylic halide here, where there are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to an sp2 hybridized carbon atom of a carbon-carbon double bond, which is comes under your vinylic halide. So I just write it out for you all, so that it will be helpful for you to when we are making notes. It's helpful for you as well. So here we go. These are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to an sp2 hybridized carbon atom of a carbon-carbon double bond. Also for that, it is been as so here it is carbon, here it is carbon-carbon double bond with X, and that has been represented this is your about vinylic halide. Now we discuss about aryl halide, which is the another part of the class here, and it is very important one. So let's go for it, which is aryl halide, the second one. Aryl halide. So here there are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring that comes under in it. So these are the compounds. These are the in which the halogen atom hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring. So that is comes under in it, and with, through the figure that it will be clear for you. This is X, this is CH3. So here it's all we have your carbon, and that's the reason that is comes under known as aryl halides. Now we go for the nomenclature in the detail, and that is very helpful, and that is very important as well. So for that nomenclature we'll discuss here, but it will take more time to discuss in the detail. So I will just discuss about how it works, and then IPAC name as well. With their IPAC name we discussed, and if we have a time, we will discuss about the common and IPAC names of their halides as well, with important questions too. So let's go for it. Nomenclature, which is very important one. So it is nomenclature here. So in nomenclature here, you have learned the classifications of halogenated compounds, and let us now learn how these are named. The common name of alkyl halide are derived by the name of alkyl group, that is followed by halide. Alkyl halide are named as halo substituted hydrocarbons in the IUPAC system of nomenclature. Haloarenes are the common as well as the IUPAC name of the aryl halides, and for dihalogen derivative the prefix is your OMP that are used as a common system, but the IUPAC system of that numeral is 1 2 or 1 3 or 1 4 that I used here. So we'll go forward in the detail. First we'll discuss about the common name with their structures and with their IUPAC name. So here we go for it. So first we go for the structures here. The first structure we have CH3 CH2 CH2 Br. It is the halide. So for that it will be your, this is the structure here. So common name and of course your IUPAC name. Discuss one by one. Although the first structure we have CH3 CH2 CH2 Br, this is your N propyl bromide. IUPAC name of this is 1-bromopropane. 1-bromopropane. Now the another structure we have, that is your CH3 bond CH bond CH3, and this is your chlorine. And for that, the common name we have, which is isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. And the IUPAC name is 2-chloropropane. The third we have, which is CH3 CH2Cl. Here it is CH3. So the common name we have is your isobutyl chloride, and the IUPAC name is 1-chloro-2-methyl propane. Now we talk for the next one, which is we have here the rings type structure, which is we have your benzene with a ring, and then we will be going to name the common name and the IUPAC name for it. It will be, first we just write it down here, common name. And IUPAC name. So first we have a ring. Br, this is your bromine. So here for that, it is the common name is bromobenzene. The IUPAC name of this bromobenzene. Now for the other one, we have another structure. This is Br. This is also Br. So for that common name we have M डाइब्रोमोबेंजीन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 ब्रोमीन है. सो M डाइब्रोमोबेंजीन. एंड IUPAC नेम, क्योंकि फर्स्ट और थर्ड पोजीशन पे, फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ, तो फर्स्ट और थर्ड इट विल बी 1,3-dibromobenzene. Another we have a 3-bromine. Bromine. This is bromine. Bromine. The common name we have. So here for that, it is the common name we have is your sim-tribromobenzene, that is symmetrical. And the IUPAC name is 1,3,5-tribromobenzene. Now we talk for another one, which is we have a structure form. So here it is your single Br, so it is bromobenzene simple. And here we have 2 bromine, so at the position of 1/3, so 1/3 dibromine bromobenzene, and 1 2 3 to 1 3 5 1 2 पे नहीं है, 3 पे है, 4 पे नहीं है, 5 पे है, so 1 3 5 tribromobenzene. This is the IUPAC name. Now further we'll go and we discuss about the IUPAC name. Another one, and that is we have CH3, CH2, Cl, CH3, CH3. This is your 1-chloro 2,2 dimethyl propane. IUPAC, it is 1-chloro 2,2 dimethyl propane. The other structure we have, it is CH3 bond CH bond CH3. This is bromine. The IUPAC name is 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane. So now for that, here you can write it down, you can copy down as well. So if you are getting notes, it will be helpful for you, of course, for sure. And for that, same here, that the dihaloalkanes having the same type of halogen atoms that are named an alkylidene, that is alkylidene and alkylene dihalide. The dihalo compounds that having the same types of halogen atoms are further classified as geminal halide, which is the halogen atoms are present on the same carbon atom, and vicinal halide, which is the halogen atom that are present on the adjacent carbon atom. So just I write it down, that it will be helpful for you. First is your geminal halide. Geminal halide is halogen atom are present on the same carbon atom. Next is your vinyl halide. So in terms of vinyl halide, halogen atom are present on the adjacent carbon atom. So for that here, in common name system, gem dihalide are named as alkyl alidine halide, and wick dihalide are named as alkaline dihalide. In IUPAC system, they are named as dihaloalkanes, and for that we have here the common name and the IUPAC name as well. So we go for it. CH3 CHCl2. Here it is your common name. And here is your IUPAC name. So for the get common name for CH3CHCl is your ethylidene chloride, which is gem dihalide. IUPAC name is 1,1 dichloroethane. And the other structure we have CH2CH2, Cl, Cl. So the common name for it, ethylene dichloride, which is wick dihalide. And the IUPAC name was dichloro. Some common examples of halo compounds are mentioned that we'll discuss in the table. That is comes under the structures common name, IUPAC name. So that we discuss in the next coming class. So here we're going to wind up with. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Please like, share and support us. Thank you.